Welcome. This is a final video to fix Dell monitors not waking up from sleep when using Dell docks. Are you tired of your screen staying black after your computer wakes up? This usually happens because the dock and monitor fail to communicate properly when resuming from sleep, often due to driver or firmware conflicts. Many guides online are long, confusing, and hard to follow, leaving you frustrated. But on Rexist, I'll show you a simple trick that works every time. Updating the dock firmware and changing the power settings to make sure your monitors wake instantly. This method is quick, easy, and doesn't require any complicated steps. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it, comment below and I'll make it for you.